What's up, guys? Let me know when you can see me so I know in the chat. Nice little move we had today. Kind of looking to see what might be happening next here. Can you guys see me? What's up? All right. I'm still looking at this. If we look at it in the 4 hour, it looks like we broke out and we're coming back down to test the top for support again, which would be around the 9,000 range. But what's up, Nap, Zachary, Mr. Magic, Montano, Rich, John, Crypto Don, Crypto Ned, Hog, Cindy, Trent, AK. What is up, guys? So, do we think this was a fake out? Let's take a little poll first. If you think it was a fake out, hit 1. If you think it's still going to continue up, hit 2. Let's take a little poll in here, see what the... I think I might have my settings screwed up on this. Let me see. I think I'm way behind. Whoops. Don't know what the hell happened here. All right. Anyways. So it looks like we got mixed bags. Everybody is all over the place. Let's see what happens here. We may get a bounce. We may come down here. The EMAs are looking strong on the 4 hour. They're all turning up. 13 just crossed. Or the 8 just crossed the 13, headed towards the 21. Although on the 4 hour here, we are getting resistance at the 55 EMA. But if we look at the RSI, where we did break out in the RSI, that's a good sign. Yeah, chances are we could come back down and retrace back down towards the 8,900, as low as that, I think possible. Edwin said it usually does the opposite of what most people think. What's up, Gio? What's up, Hog? Lord Baltimore says get out now if you still can. Matt C, I think it's all a test down to the weekly 21. I think we bounce up. You think we're going to test all the way back down to the weekly again? The 21? I don't think we're going to do that, honestly. I could be wrong. Max Ninja said, why do we rally on the weekends? There's less volume on the weekend, so it takes less money to move the market, whichever way they want to move it. Anyways, Ethereum still is not broke yet. If we do continue up, I think Ethereum will obviously, if Litecoin and Bitcoin continues up, Litecoin's got to get back above this 64.30 range. We did get up, bounced through it, and came back. Kind of looks like a bear trap, but I still think we got more up to go, guys. If you look at the RSI, I think we come up and at least test this for Litecoin, which would most likely, you know, get us up here. If we do break out of that, that'll definitely be a break of this, and we'll be headed up to that target around the $68, $69 range. And then we have the measured move. If this is able to get support above that 93.30 area, 70, 74, so between 73 and 74 would be the measured move. The big measured move would be this whole thing up. That would get us to 78.60 range. Litecoin's still looking strong. Let me go into a smaller time frame real quick. Take a look at it. Kind of just stair-stepping its way up. See if we can continue getting support on these EMAs in the 1 hour to get us back above this and gain some support up here. This definitely was a head and shoulders right here in the 1 hour, if anybody caught that. See, it'd be right here. And we broke. And the measured move of that would be right to 65 bucks. T-Bone Dips, poor XRP getting destroyed, man. What's XRP at right now? You can buy 3 ounces of silver with 1 Litecoin. Let me get this off here. Go back over to Bitcoin. Bitcoin on the weekly is definitely playing in the EMAs here. Looks like it may get sandwiched in here this week if we break above 90. What did we get up today? If we break up above this 91.45 and get support on the weekly, that will be extremely bullish. This week we could possibly go back down and retest the top of this, which would be around that 8,500. It is possible if we don't continue up and get support here, I guess. Stretch this out. But yeah, I'm looking to get support here, but the weird thing about it is if I put this over to, if I go over to the daily and we look at it here, .279, huh? We look at it here. We just peaked out of it. See, on the daily, the lines change a little bit, but we did open outside of it. So let's see what happens here. I think it'll be a, honestly think it'll be a nice move. I think we'll continue up, guys. We may have a little shift down, but yeah, we're still in this. I guess it's still possible, like I talked about earlier on my morning video, that we could test the top of this channel again. But it's looking more bullish to me, guys. I think we come back up here and break out of this falling broadening wedge and continue up for the daily anyway. 4 hour too. It looks pretty damn bullish, guys. Litecoin. Oh, that's the hourly. Let's go to the 4 hour. Litecoin still looks good in the 4 hour. It looks like we come up at least to test the top of this. Yeah, it's still looking bullish to me, guys. Hey, Savy, I'm not in right now. What would you do? That's totally up to you, man. Totally up to you. I do not give financial advice. I just show you guys my opinion, what I think. Wendell, also, if it has a limit of 4 times that of Bitcoin scarcity, same halving for your cycle. Yeah, but they don't. Their halvings are on the same years. Bitcoin will store value and Litecoin will be how the world transacts. I like that thought, Jeremy. Defunk, let's go fill the huge effing gap above 20K. What do you say? Right on, man. Right on. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up, guys. There's like 100 and some people watching. Make sure you take a second out, hit the thumbs up. And if you're new here, definitely don't forget to subscribe. I do daily updates every single day, so make sure you tick your notification bell. That'll notify you when I post new videos or when I go live. When I go live, it's not as much about TA as it is interacting with you guys and the community. That's why I do these live streams, just to get to know people. I think it's kind of fun. But yeah, I do daily updates every single day, and that's where I go into a little more detail with just the technical analysis. We've just added Ethereum to the mix. It's real short right now, where I'm not doing long term with Ethereum yet. I'm kind of watching this move. Did anybody get in that trade this morning? Curious to see if anybody did that this morning. What's up, 1111? Thanks, Ran J. Thanks. When rates go negative, I'm borrowing as much as I can and put it into Bitcoin and Litecoin. No problem, Edward. Thanks for all the support you guys give. You don't know how to change your nickname? You got in? Sweet. Good to see some people got in. For those of you that don't know, I do have links down below. You can sign up to, I have a Bybit link if you sign up. If you want to try leverage trading, but if you do, guys, be extremely careful. Don't high leverage. High leverage is just basically gambling. You could win a lot, but chances are you'll lose a lot. But anyways, I do have links down there that if you sign up to Bybit, you get a $60 bonus, sign up bonus. If you deposit, I think it is 0.2 Bitcoin. There's also a Prime XBT one down there that you get a 35% bonus on top of whatever you deposit in there. So definitely check them out if you are looking to leverage trade. Also, don't forget to check out my wife's webpage, inkerimage.com. All kinds of crypto gear, t-shirts, hats, coffee mugs, beer koozies, aluminum signs. And yes, I am shilling my wife's website, but it is quality merchandise. She does, she can put anything you want on this, any crypto, any family pictures, whatnot. So it's a good spot for Christmas shopping also. Defunk, only 30 more halvings left. Thank God we won't live through them all. Ice Cream Man, 183 people watching, 68 likes. Come on, people, smash the likes. How hard is it to do? Right? Doesn't cost you shit either. Mike D-Man. Thanks, man. All right, so what's going on? It looks like we're going to hold here. Looks like there's a damn good possibility, guys. It's looking bullish. The EMAs are turning up really hard right now. Looks like we'll get another push, at least to this 3,300 area, I believe. Let me put a price label in there. Yeah, it looks like we'll get up, at least test this 9,300 range, and we'll see what happens. George said, I think we'll hit 11 to 13K, then retrace to 9K, get up to 18K, retrace to 15. Then we'll have the halving. Possible. What price is supporting Bitcoin right now? I'd say right now it's this 8,900, about 8,910 would be our support if we were to come back down. Or the top of this where we broke out at 88.83, 88.80, somewhere in that range. Mr. Magic said, John Estrade, stop rubbing your crystal ball. Everybody has a pretty strong opinion, and the stronger their opinions are, the scarier they get. I think most of the bears are people that missed the bottom the end of last year, beginning of this year. They call people calling for higher Bitcoin prices, moon boys and whatnot, when they're just pissed off because they missed the bottom. Bobby Lee's price prediction. Let's look at Litecoin on the 1 hour again. Yeah, it still seems to be getting supported on that 13 EMA there. We'll see what happens. If we can get back above this 64.30, I think Litecoin may lead the way for Bitcoin again. We'll see. Go back into the daily. No matter what on the daily, we're still getting supported on the top of this bull flag. And yes, I still call it a bull flag. I've never stopped calling it that since July. Thanks, Paul Bear. Really considering selling my coin and reinvesting in Bitcoin later when it drops. Good luck with that, Brandon. I'm not telling you what to do at all, but that's why I have a hodl position so I don't cry and whine when it shoots up and I can afford less Bitcoin. 500K within 9 years. I believe that. Elvedin, what do you think about telling people, specific friends, how high your portfolio is? I don't think it's anyone's business to know what anybody's portfolio is. I mean, it's up to people themselves. If they want to tell people, have at it. But it's nobody's business. Does anybody ask you how much money you got in the bank? I mean, come on. Wendell, if it was zero hedge, Bitcoin gold, I predict the flipping will happen within 9 years and Bitcoin will shoot up past 500,000, he wrote. Oh, you're talking about Charlie's brother, Charlie Lee, or Bobby Lee? Yeah. Michael said, I love hearing when people are researching Bitcoin but haven't yet invested. Guys, another reminder, I know there's a lot of new people that watch this that are just getting into Bitcoin and Litecoin and anything you're getting into. Keep your keys safe, guys. Get your crypto off the exchanges. Get your own keys. Get your own hard wallet. There's no reason to keep your money on an exchange and not hold your keys. If anything happens to that exchange, your crypto is gone. There's links to that too. You don't have to use my links, but get yourself a hard wallet somewhere. I have a link to Ledger down there and also one to ELLIPAL. But yeah, definitely, whether you get a Trezor, Ledger, whatever, get something. Get your crypto off the exchange, man. I don't understand why people are okay leaving their crypto on the exchange at all. Is there any divergence? Not really. A little bit here. How many people in here don't have a hard wallet? Hit 1. And yeah, Paul Bear, I have been going over this ELLIPAL. I'm actually using it now, and I really like it. They call it an air gap, where you never have to plug anything into your computer. You actually download an app, and it is the hard wallet for ELLIPAL. You download the app on your phone, and you can send stuff. You can send crypto to it, but when you send it out, you have to use your ELLIPAL to sign it. So it uses a QR code to sign the transaction. You cannot transact without the ELLIPAL to make the QR code for it. It's pretty awesome. D-Man has a paper wallet. I've never used a paper wallet, but I guess that's pretty damn safe. Ledger. Mike says, I got a Trezor because I like 9-inch nails. Brent Resner. I have 2 hard wallets plus phone and PC wallets, and got a free ballet wallet at the Litecoin Summit. How do you like that wallet? That ballet or ballet, I don't even know how they say it. I have 95% of my money in Bitcoin with about only 5% in the bank. I hold and use Bitcoin as a store of value. Only send money to the bank when I need it. Right on, man. Monarch wallet. Cool wallet and Trezor. Yeah, man. I guess it doesn't matter what hard wallet you use. Anything's better than keeping your money on the exchange. I mean, I understand if you're trading, keep whatever you're wanting to trade on the exchange. I get that, but I would not keep your whole portfolio on any exchange. That's just insane. Same as Ledger, you have to sign it as well. Yeah, but not with a QR code. It's a little bit different with the Ledger than it is. I have Ledger too. I have ELLIPAL too. I use both. I actually like this ELLIPAL just because it I don't know, it looks cooler, I guess. But there's nothing wrong with the Ledger. Ledger, I mean, it's been around forever and it's solid. They prove themselves. Not impressed with Monarch. I've never tried Monarch. Samsung phones getting ready to do crypto. Yeah, I heard that. Is Coinbase safe? I'm not really the one to ask about that. I guess that's probably one of the safest ones. They are insured, but I think they're only insured for the value. So let's say something happened to Coinbase and they went bankrupt, which, I don't see that happening, but you never know. Or they do get hacked and people get the crypto from them. Say the crypto, it got stolen today and the crypto is worth $9,048. It goes through court, takes forever for them to pay you. Say you had 10 Bitcoins, so you had 90,000. And in a year or two when it's done with court, Bitcoin's at 40,000. Well, then all they owe you is what the price was when you lost it. They don't give you the Bitcoin back. So, yeah. Not your keys, not your crypto. Yeah, D-Man. Coinbase insures your money, not your crypto. Like I said, if something was to happen, from the time it takes, from the time it happens till you get your money, because you're not going to get crypto. You're going to get money back. You probably will lose money. Savvy, thinking about getting another hard wallet just as a backup. Thoughts? Yeah, man, I've got a few. I've got a few hard wallets. I actually kind of split stuff up amongst them. If Coinbase goes bankrupt, the whole market will go down the tube. I doubt that. Highly doubt that. But I highly doubt Coinbase going bankrupt too. Exchanges are nothing more than today's version of crypto banks. Screw the banks. We need exchanges. I mean, we have to have liquidity in the market. If there's not traders and liquidity in the market, somebody had said that if people would quit trading Bitcoin, it would go up. We need traders. That makes liquidity. Otherwise, how are you going to sell your Bitcoin and get the money if it's not liquid? If there's not an exchange, it makes no sense. That's all part of economics. Paul Bear, thanks for the tip, brother. Much appreciated. When free wallet giveaway? When they give me free wallets, I'll give you guys free wallets. Coinbase is fully insured. Exactly, Matt. But like I said, they insure you for the cash value, not the crypto. If they get hacked, lose everything, they're not going to give you Bitcoin back. They're going to give you what Bitcoin was worth when it happened. So if Bitcoin had a huge jump between that time, you lose out. Yeah, guys, if you're new here, don't know about it, we have a free Discord group. Awesome community. There's a link to that below in the description also. Awesome community, guys, if you want to just chat about crypto, learn about crypto. We've got traders in there. All kinds of stuff. George Loveless said, everybody, let's go buy one Litecoin and see if it moves it. I think we need a lot more people than that. We need an exchange that is as decentralized as Bitcoin is. That would be nice, but even the DEX ones, they're not really decentralized, I don't believe. That was one hell of a spike on the silver chart, up to about 2350. I did not see it. On the other hand, if Bitcoin drops in price, you win. Yeah, but you're not going to see that money in anytime soon if that was to happen. Trust me on that. It would be a year or more for sure. Brad Mussick, multiple nanos that are supposed to hold many coins, but wait. What they don't tell you, that adding coin accounts is very limited, feeling ripped off. On the nano, whoever bought there is way down now. Michael Milbrick, Coinbase is better than most, as it could be like Cryptopia or Cryptsy or Mt. Gox, Mint Pale. The list goes on with fraudulent exchanges. True, man. Wall Street, prepare for the next $1 trillion market. Bitcoin is coming. CryptoSavy, what's up, brother? How goes your week? Not bad, Sam, man. How are you doing, man? I buy some Litecoin and some Bitcoin every Wednesday. Right on, man. Dollar cost average. Safest bet. Still looking good. Would say that Exodus soft wallet is better than on exchanges. It has support for Trezor. Yeah, I've never used Exodus either. Mike D-Man, do you prefer Adidas over Puma? I like them both. That's really all I wear. I don't wear Nike. Brandon, I'm kind of new to Bitcoin, just buying it on Robinhood. Any better ways to invest it? Yeah, I wouldn't buy on Robinhood because you don't actually own the Bitcoin, Brandon. I would go to other exchanges. Yeah, Cash App. You can buy it on the Cash App where you actually buy real Bitcoin. Where is Bitcoin's strongest resistance? Well, the first one's going to be that 9,300. And after that, right here, I think the strongest resistance going up is going to be around that 10.9 area. When Kubota. A6 gel for me. Stephen Hubs. I do Swiss francs averaging. I've never worn any A6 to be honest. Kraken. I don't even want to talk about Kraken. If you notice, I don't have a Kraken link down there no more. I don't run. That's probably why I don't like A6, or I don't wear A6. Can't say I don't like them. I never tried them. Brandon, if you're a newbie, keep it simple. Go to Coinbase or Gemini. You own the Bitcoin, and the apps are easy to navigate. It's not a bad place to start out. It's a little pricey, but yeah, it's probably the safest bet to start out. Sandman, doing good, brother. Just another crazy week in this world. Hoping Bitcoin hit the roof so we can create a better every day. Do I mine? No, I do not mine. Go back over to Litecoin. What is going on? Nothing. Like it tried to push up. We're still getting support even in the 1 hour with the EMAs here. Let's see how this pans out. Like I said, I think Litecoin's gonna lead the way if it does go up. I don't use Kraken. I just hear it's a better one. Yeah, I don't mess with Kraken no more. Like I said, if you notice down below, there is no more Kraken links. I don't mess with Kraken. They're horrible. Steve Hubs, I agree. Won't run in anything other than ASICs. Wouldn't mind trying some on or Taco 1-1 though. No idea what that meant. Lady Plant says, I love John McAfee. What about staking? I don't do any staking. I know everybody's getting into that stuff. I mean, I got into a project that's staking coins, but I don't stake any Ethereum or anything yet. And actually, ELLIPAL has a whole setup on it that you can do that. I haven't gotten that far to mess with it yet. As you guys know, most of you that watch my channel, I work full time, so I don't have a whole lot of free time. What happened with Kraken? I just don't like them. I'm not gonna say I don't like them for many different reasons. When they have stop losses and stuff on other exchanges, go check them over on Kraken. That'll tell you. If I buy a hard wallet or whatever, will Coinbase charge me to move it? I'm also afraid of losing my money transferring it. Yeah, there's always a fee to transfer Bitcoin. And when you get other wallets, you can actually adjust your fee depending if you want to speed it up or not, add gas to it. Cash App only lets you buy 10K. Romaine, I don't know if that's true because they just had a thing that those guys, well, maybe you can only buy 10K, but they just had, I don't know, somebody bought a house or something for like 100 and some million bucks or something crazy amount on Cash App, and they did it on Cash App and said it went great. Bagster, Robinhood doesn't let you transfer your Bitcoin onto a hard wallet. Trying to get mine off. Bagster, that's because you don't own any Bitcoin. When you use Robinhood, you do not own the Bitcoin. You only own the price action. Defunk. I manage a branch out here that we do heavy equipment tires, like in stone quarries, mines. We sell them, service them, and track them, maintain their fleets. Staking's pretty awesome in my opinion. Yeah, I need to look into it more. I really haven't looked into staking at all. Stephen Hubbs said only when he's sober, when he's juiced, he acts so crazy. He is incomprehensible. Oh, he must be talking about good old John. Staking. Yeah, I mean, if you don't care about Bitcoin or owning your Bitcoin and you just want to trade and or invest price action, I guess you could use Robinhood, but you really don't own any Bitcoin if you're on Robinhood. You own 0 Bitcoin. I once bought Bitcoin on those ATMs. I stopped halfway when I realized it was a 10% fee. Damn. Do your own research before you install. Set up a wallet and send small test transactions. Yes, do not send all your crypto at once if you get a new wallet. Practice. Defunk. Very good. Thanks for sharing. Yeah, no problem. I've shared a million times. Bagster, I'm ditching Robinhood. I want Bitcoin, not Bitcoin's price action. Perfect example of these exchanges. Very misleading. Yeah, that's one of the only ones that does that. But yeah, you definitely don't want to, like I said, if you want to own Bitcoin, you can't do it on Robinhood. Exodus is a great first wallet to set up and use. Yeah, like I said, never used Exodus. Ledger is all I used until this ELLIPAL. They sent me the one to test out, and I actually like it. There's a link to that below if you want to check it out. I'm not saying buy it, but if you want to check it out, they have all kinds of information on their page, and they actually have this too, which is pretty cool. It's actually a metal case. And I have my keys in it, but I can kind of show you. You put your keys in, they're little letters. Yeah, it's pretty nifty little thing. And then they give you these letters in little sheets. Well, yeah, little sheets of letters like these to put in there. I don't know if you guys can see these, but yeah. Like I said, it actually... That way it's waterproof, fireproof. You don't have to worry about if your house floods or catches fire. Most likely you will be able to get your keys. Savy totally got the perfect gift for your end of year older targets. I think I said even in the 30s, but got something for you and the missus. Thanks, man. I appreciate that. You don't have to do that though. Stupid, but on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, you own your crypto, correct? Yes, you actually own, well, kinda. I mean, you can move it and get it off there and you own it, but while they hold it, they have the keys, not you, Sandman. What's up with Bitcoin Cash? It's doing pretty good for me compared to Litecoin and Bitcoin. I wish I had put more in that. Oh well. Just must have got lucky when I bought it on the dip. Yes, you own it on Coinbase and Coinbase Pro, but it's not in your possession, so if they go down, you may never get it. Exactly. What's up, Robert? I was on Robinhood at first. Bad idea after I got deep in the rabbit hole and realized I wanted to own the actual coin. CryptoSavy, what's the realistic number for Bitcoin January 1st, 2020 and Bitcoin April 2020? Most educated guesstimates. I still believe we can see new all-time highs this year. I still believe that. But I guess, yeah, I still believe we can see new all-time highs. If not, match it. These next couple weeks will be the telltale by the end of November. Coinbase said they would hold my Bitcoin for 19 days. Bugging. Ouch. I bought a couple BCH as well. FDIC can only pay less than about 5% of what it would take. Too bad no leverage on Coinbase. Yep, no leverage on Coinbase. Discord day for me. You gotta be careful with leverage too. Start out low if you're new. Actually, if you're new to trading, I wouldn't even leverage trade. But if you're you're been trading, you're doing all right, and you want to do some leverage trading, I would stick to low leverage. Unless you're really damn sure about the move. Take it easy, Wendell. Theory, FDIC only insures currencies, so you're only insured for the dollar amount of the crypto and money in your USD wallet. Exactly. What I was trying to explain earlier. Do you think the price will dip back to 86? I mean, yeah, anything's possible. Yeah, it could dip back down here to 86. I don't think so. Maybe 88, 89. But we don't have to. See if we can get back over this 55 on the 4-hour and make it support. Because these EMAs are trying to turn up. Now, it doesn't mean they continue up, but if we get above this 55 and close, open and close a 4-hour above this 55, I think that'll be a damn good sign. Is there a discount for using the link from the page for Ledger or new device you are talking about? I think there's a discount for Ledger. ELLIPAL, I'm not 100% sure if there's a discount or not. I'm sure if you use my link, it'll let you know. But they're, for the exchanges down, you do get bonuses. And like there's if you buy on Coinbase, you get like $10 of Bitcoin. If you buy $100 worth on ABRA, I think they give you a free $25 worth of Bitcoin. Litecoin's approaching 64. Oh, is it? 64.19 on Coinbase. Like I said, if Litecoin breaks this, I think that'll let Bitcoin know it's time to go. See what happens. Let's see what this looks like. Put a trend line here. For those of you that don't know or are new here, I'm a huge fan of the RSI. Can I move my crypto to a SSD? What the hell is a SSD? I'm having a brain fart here or something. Done with the 8s, as I'm sure everyone else is. Buy a Nano X and you can get a Nano S for $39 package deal. Nice. I don't have an X, all I have is S's. Do you have an X, Steve, and how do you like it? Uh-oh, Litecoin's trying to push. Can she do it? What's up, cutie for blockchain? Bybit tells me I'm restricted area and cannot register in the US. What am I missing here? I'm not advising anyone to do it, but people use VPNs on their computer to get on Bybit and other exchanges like that. Solid state drive. That I don't know, man. SSDs are not very reliable, Ewa says. Like it very much. You can store many more cryptos on it than a Nano S. Nice. What's up, Brody Hope? Can Litecoin push up here? It looks like it's getting geared up to try it. Bitcoin is chilling. Come on, Litecoin, let's see what you got. Concerning storing keys. Oh, you have nothing from a SSD concerning storing keys. I heard Proton VPN works if you connect to a free one in Japan location. Don't know about that. I use, for my own safety on the computer, I use private, what's it called? I use private internet connection, I believe it's called. Go to the 1 hour on Bitcoin and see what that looks like. Oh, we're getting squeezed between on the 1 hour Bitcoin, we're getting squeezed between the 8 EMA and the 200 EMA. Actually looking pretty good, guys, to be honest with you. I think it's up to 100 cryptos can be stored on Nano X instead of 5 on Nano S. Damn, nice. There's a lot you can store in this ELLIPAL too. I'm not sure how many they got on there, but quite a few different ones. I seen a stock to flow chart and video predicts 100,000 Bitcoin in a few years. Private internet access. Yes, that's it. And I like it. I had a few different kinds and they would shut off and screw with my computer and just they gave me problems, and that's the only one. Private internet access has gave me 0 issues. What's going on with IOB on November 13th? I have no idea. Does anybody in here know what's going on with Hyobi on November 13th? Hope it's not an attack. Who knows? It's probably just some FUD. I don't believe half the shit in the news and what people talk about. I have 11 stored to my Nano S. LTC $800 in the game. It'll be a while before it gets to 800, I believe. Put onto the 15-minute chart. I don't like smaller time frames unless I'm trying to find an entry or an exit of a position, but kind of see what's going on here. And like we might drop back down and test the 9,000 range. Looks possible. Possibly even the 8980 range, which would be 21 EMA in the 15-minute. Look at it here. And looks like we might test the 9,000 maybe. Is that the blocking date for US on Hyobi? Could be. VPN is necessary. I think VPN is necessary anyways for anything, anybody doing anything on the internet. That's the old version though. Haven't put any on my new Nano S that I got with the Nano X. Good if you can do 11 now. Nord's the one I had a lot of problems with. It kept shutting off on me and crap. And it was more expensive. The private internet access is cheap. WebNet 5 max at once, but you don't have to have them all on there at once. You can store unlimited amounts with the Nano S. Brandon subscribed. Thanks, man. Yes, we're live, CryptoBerry. Robert Nab, should I sell and buy at 8,800? There's no guarantee we go to 8,800. That's all depends on you, man. I will never tell anybody when to buy or sell. I run my VPN on my phone and laptop almost 100% of the time. Yeah, it's the safest thing to do, man. Michael said, yeah, no Nord. You must have had issues with it too. Don't forget to smash likes, guys. And don't forget, when you watch the videos in the morning, leave a comment, whether it just be a stupid fist bump, thumbs up, whatever. Just leave a comment and a thumbs up. It helps YouTube's algorithm, and it helps me out to get the video out to people. Gets it in front of more people. Okay, go ahead and start. I'm here. Something feels like it's ready to roll. We fall to 88 or lower, probably we'll see more downside, said Edward Park. Yeah, I don't know. We'll see here. You just draw some lines in here to look at where we're at. 62.59 we could fall to on, well, no, I take that back. I don't like that wick over here. If we looked at this, and this is just, I'm just playing with this, but let's take a look at this real quick. We looked at this as a bear flag. Where would that take us? We looked at that as a bear flag. We would be going down to around 89.50 off of that move. But again, I'm just playing there, guys. It's not, nothing is set in stone on any TA. You just add and remove the coins, but still, blah, blah, blah. Private internet access, Chris Moody tile. How about Proto VPN? Never used it. $11.11 said, yes, we're going to have a lovely pump for my birthday today. I can feel it. So we'll have to close yet another gap. CME is open. CME opened at 5 p.m. Eastern. Brave. Is everybody in here on Brave browser yet, or most people? That's a great browser. There's also a link to that down below. But that is it's an awesome browser. That's what I use. I can open up tons of charts and I don't get no lag in even when I'm live streaming. So it's, yeah. Tip of the night, you don't need a VPN to use Bybit in the US. Launch Brave browser and open a new private window with Tor. Now you can register and use Bybit, or any exchange works. I've never done that, but I just use VPNs anyway, just for safety. Everyone's waiting for 5 to 6K. I think they'll be waiting a while. Any predictions on Ethereum? Not long term. Like I said, I just started looking at Ethereum. Right now I'm waiting for this formation to break. That's where I'm at with Ethereum. So yeah, no. Trent loves Brave. Brave is a great browser, and you ain't got to watch commercials and stuff. Nap said, I was on Brave. It became very buggy with the plugins I use and started to get really slow, so I went back to Chrome. Huh, I've never had a problem with Brave on anything. $100 every morning during my drive. Right on. Yeah, guys, don't forget to smash the likes. And if you're new here or you just got in, this is when I do live streams. I just want you guys to know I don't go into, you know, a lot of detail with the analysis. I kind of just chit chat with you guys in the chat. But definitely check out the daily updates. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button. That'll get you subscribed. Tick the notification bell to get notified when I post videos. I do daily updates every single day, guys. So make sure you subscribe and tick the notification bell. And when you watch the videos in the morning, leave a comment. It's free. No commercials is awesome. Right on. And you can tip your favorite YouTubers and stuff. Hint, hint. Just kidding. Bat doesn't get paid in New York. What? What's up, Jose? Welcome. No problem, Alan. I appreciate all your guys' support, man. Savvy, your analysis is getting better and better. And don't crash if you're driving to work. Cool, thanks, Danny. I appreciate each and every one of you guys, man. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be doing this. All right. Doesn't look like anything's going to happen right at the moment, but I do believe we are going to most likely see a continuation up here. We'll see, but I do believe we're going to most likely see I tune in just to see what you're wearing. Thanks, lady. All right, guys, I'm out of here. Don't forget to check below for all my affiliate links. Check them out. Don't forget to check out my Take It Easy. Have a great night. I hope y'all had a great weekend, and I am out. Somehow.